Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss functions, very short answer type questions. Particularly, I am discussing from Telugu Academy, which is required for intermediate public exams. Now let us go with. I'll tell you the page number. Then I'll be going with the problem number. This is page number 12. What he has given that? This is going to be problem number 2, which is there in row number 1. He has given that now f of x is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube. Now what we need to prove? We need to prove that f of x plus 1 f of 1 by x is equal to 0. I'll keep this as equation result number 1. I'll be replacing with put x is equal to 1 by x in 1. Now what you are going to get, wherever x is there, replace with 1 by x. Wherever x is there, replace with 1 by x. And here wherever x is there, this is going to be replaced with this is 1 by x and this is whole cube. Now this is f of 1 by x is equal to, this can be written as 1 by x cube minus this is 1 cube, that is 1 by you are getting x cube. This can be written as 1 by x cube, and here this goes to the numerator, this will become x cube by 1, that is called multiplicative inverse, which is equals to this is 1 by x cube minus you are getting x cube. I'll keep this as result 2. Now I am adding, this is 1 plus 2, the 1 plus 2 in the sense you are going to write f of x plus this is f of 1 by x, and on the right hand side you have got this is x cube minus 1 by x cube plus this is nothing but 1 by x cube minus x cube. X cube gets cancelled, 1 by x cube gets cancelled, you are getting 0, and therefore we say that this is going to be f of x plus this is f of 1 by x is equal to this is 0, and hence we'll say that this is proved. Okay, fine, and that is going to be the result which we need to remember. Now I hope that you have written this one. Now I'll be going with next problem, next coming problem. Now that is going to be, I'll be erasing this part. Right, now coming back to the point, what we need to do now, I am going with the second way of the problem. This is Roman number 1. This is problem number 3. What he has given, f of x is equal to, he has given by 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. We need to show that f of tan theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Now what is the very simple thing which we need to remember? You write this is put x is equal to tan theta. If I consider this as result 1, I'll be taking this is going to be 1. Now what you are going to get? F of this is tan theta is equal to, you can write this one as 1 minus tan square theta by, you are getting this is 1 plus tan square theta, which is the result of cos 2 theta. Now you need to understand this is nothing but cos 2 theta. Now first and foremost things, what is the reason? We know that from multiple angles, cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, and this is going to be the solution. So we have got f of tan theta is equal to, the result is cos of 2 theta. I hope that you understood. Now I'll proceed with the next problem, which is very important. Now this is going to be problem number 4th one, and pertaining to Telugu Academy reader. Now I'll be going with problem number 4. Now in the 4th problem, what I'm going to do is he has given that this is f of x is equal to logarithm of this is 1 plus x by this is 1 minus x. I'll repeat, this is going to be 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Now what is asking? Then show that f of 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to 2 times 2 f of x. Now what is very simple logic you have to remember. What exactly we need to substitute? X is equal to, this is going to be 2x by this is 1 plus x square. Okay, now I'll be replacing in place of x, I'll substitute 2x by 1 plus x square. This can be written as logarithm of modulus of, in place of x, I'll substitute 2x by 1 plus x square, and this is 1 minus 2x by this is 1 plus x square. Now what exactly you're going to get? Now in the continuation, I'll be taking this is Logarithm of modulus. I'll be taking 1 plus x square as LCM. Here you're going to get 1 plus x square plus 2x, and here 1 plus x square as LCM. 1 plus x square into 1, this is 1 plus x square, and this is minus 2x. 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square gets cancelled. Therefore, what you are going to get is f of this is 2x by 1 plus x square. The result is nothing but you can write this one as 1 square plus x square plus 2 into 1 into x. So what you are going to write, this is very as simple as you are writing this in the form of 1 is in the form of 1 square, that is in the form of a square, plus this is x square, that is b square, plus 2ab, 2 into 1 into you are getting x. Now here in the denominator 1 square plus x square minus 2 into this is going to be 1 into you are going to write x. Now next step what we need to do is f of this is 2x by this is 1 plus x square. This can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is 1 plus x whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. That is 1 minus a minus b whole square. Now what you are going to get, this can be written as logarithm of 1 plus x by, you can write 1 minus x whole square. Now which can be written as 2 into logarithm of 1 plus x by this is 1 minus x. Now the reason is that very simple. Now here logarithm of x power m can be written as m into this is logarithm of x. So here you are going to write f of this is 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to this is 2 into, as we know 2 into logarithm of modulus of 1 plus x by 1 minus x is equal to f of x. So I'll be replacing this with f of x, and that is going to be the solution. So we proved that LHS is equal to RHS, as simple as possible. I think hope that you understood this logic, and here you can write it down, and I'll be going with my next problem, upcoming problem. Right. Now coming back to the point,